Hello everyone, my name is Narem Atyaras. I am TGT Social Science at KV number 2 in Fall. Today I am going to teach a topic from the class 6 Geography chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is The Earth in the Solar System. Okay, so let's start the chapter. So at first we have the introduction. So let's start the introduction. First point of the introduction, that is the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night are called the celestial bodies. Okay, that means the sun, the moon and even all those shining objects, that include the other planets and the stars, they are all called what? Celestial bodies. Okay, the second point saying that we see the moon on most of the days. It may however appear at different time, in different shape or at different position. So out of all the celestial bodies, moon is one of the most common that we see every night. Okay, and it may be appear in the different time or at a different shape or at a different position. And the last point is you can see the full moon only once in about a month time, and it is called the what? Full moon night or the Purnima. Okay, a fortnight later we cannot see it at all. That means after the 15 days of the full moon night, that is a Purnima, we cannot see the moon at sky. That day we call as the what? New moon night or the Amavasya. Okay, that means after the 15 days of the Purnima we cannot see the moon at the sky. That night we call as the what? New moon night or the Amavasya. Okay, now let's come to the next topic, and the next topic is other celestial bodies. Here we have the star and the planet. Both are very important. So let's start from the star. The first point of the star: some celestial bodies are very big and hot. Then they are made up of the gases and they have their own heat and the light. This one is very important as per the star. That is, star have its own heat and the light, which they emit in the large amount. These celestial body are called the what? Star. That means star have their own heat and the light, and they are made up of the what? Gases. Okay, so these points are very important for the star. Now let's come to the planet. Okay, we will see comparison between the star and the planet also. So planet, the first point for the planet is some celestial body do not have their own heat and the light. That means planet do not have their, okay, they do not have their own heat and the light, but star have their what? Heat and light. So all of you just compare these 2 points, the second point of the star and the first point of the what? Planet. Okay, in a star they have their heat and a light, but in the planet they do not have their own heat and the light. The second point of the planet, they are lit by the light of the star. Okay, that means they get a light from the star. Our planet, that is Earth, also getting a light from the what? Sun, and the sun is also a what? Star, that is given here. Okay, in the last point, the sun is also a star, so our planet is also getting a light from the one of the star, that is the sun. Such body are called the what? Planet. That means those celestial body that do not have their own heat and light, and they get a light from the star, they are called the what? Planet. Okay, so this is the difference between the star and the planet. Okay, now let's go to the next topic, that is the constellation. Okay, now what is the constellation? Various patterns formed by the different groups of stars are called the constellation, like Big Bear, or another one that is given here, that is the Saturishi. Okay, that means the various pattern is formed by the some group of the what? Star. Like look at here, there is some star is here and they are forming some kind of the pattern. Okay, and this kind of the pattern we call as the what? Constellation. Okay, then the next topic, that is the solar system. So the definition of solar system is like this: the sun, 8 planets, satellite, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroid and meteoroid form the solar system. The solar system are formed by the what? Sun, 8 planet, satellite like moon, and other celestial body, that is what? Asteroid and a meteoroid. All together they're going to form the solar system. Okay, so let's start from the sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system, and it is huge and made up of the extremely hot gas. And the last point is that the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Okay, the sun is 150 million kilometers away from our planet, that is the earth. Okay, so in the next page we have this diagram of the solar system. So look at here, the sun is in the center. Okay, after that we have the 8 planet, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth. Okay, Earth is here. Then the Mars. Then between the Mars and the Jupiter we have this asteroid belt. Okay, this is the asteroid belt. Then we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the last, that is the Neptune. Okay, so this is the what? A diagram of the what? Solar system. And now let's come to the next topic, planet. Okay, so planet, we are going to do the planet. The first point of here is there are 8 planets in our solar system. So there are how many planets? 8 planets. In order of their distance from the sun, they are the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the Neptune. This second point is very important. Okay, there will be one question related to this second point. So I'm reading this point again. In order of their distance, okay, in order of their distance from the sun, they are, that means that 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the last one, that is the Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are elongated and they are called orbit. That means, let me show you that previous diagram also. That means all the 8 planets, all the 8 planets, they are moving in the elongated path around the sun. And this elongated path, okay, that one line is drawn here. Okay, line is drawn here. Okay, this is the elongated part. This elongated part we call as the what? Orbit. Okay, now let's come to the that points of the planet. Okay, so we have finished the third point. Now let's come to the fourth point. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. So let's see whether it is true or not. Here Mercury, okay, yes, Mercury is here. Okay, Mercury is here and it is nearest to the sun. Yes, it is the nearest to the sun. Okay, then the next one, Venus is considered as the Earth twins because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the what? Earth. So which planet is also known as the Earth twin? That is the Venus. So let's see, where is Venus? Okay, so Venus is here. Here it is a Venus and Earth is here. Okay, so let's see again. Venus is here and the Earth is here. Okay, and this planet, that is the Venus, is also known as the what? Earth twin. Okay, now let's come to the topic. So we have finished the part of the planet. Then now let's come to the homework and the assignment. The first question for the homework is, How does planet differ from the star? I have given you some point that star have their own heat and light, and planet do not have their own heat and light. Okay, you just read that slide. And question number B, that is, what is meant by the solar system? Okay, I have given the definition of this one also. So you just read that topic of the solar system. Last one. Name all the planet according to their distance from the sun. So you have to start right from the Mercury up to the Neptune. Okay. And the last one, that is the assignment that you have to do in your homework notebook, and that is prepare a chart of the what? Solar system. That means you have to draw this one, this chart. Okay. Our sun should be in the center, then all the 8 planet, and including the what? This asteroid belt. You have to draw this chart. There is no need to write this uh, data. You have to only draw this chart. Okay. So I hope that before the next video, all of you going to finish this homework and assignment. And for today, all of you, thank you.